Hey guys, this is a simple, easy Mei combo for noobs that don't know how to play as Mei. Now, let's get into it. Others will be using three moves. It's the third move, then the first move, then the second move. Don't forget about the M1s. The M1s are very important. Others will be starting with three M1s, then the third move, then the first move, and then the second. Now that almost did half of his health, which is very good. And if you'd like more combos, please like and subscribe. Now that was a simple, easy move. Please like and subscribe for more.